You really got me going. You got me so I don't know what I'm doing now. Yeah, you really got me now. You got me so I can't sleep at night. Yeah, you really got me now. You got me so I don't know what I'm doing now. Ah, yeah, you really got me now. You got me so I can't sleep at night. You really got me. You really got me.
But then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer. Not a trace of doubt in my mind. I'm in love. I'm a believer. I couldn't leave her if I tried. Everyone is talking about me. It makes me feel so sad. Everyone is laughing at me. It makes me feel so bad to keep on running, running from my arms. Don't want your love anymore. Don't want your kisses, that's for sure. I die each time I hear this sound. Here he comes, that charming wise lady. As a miller told his tale, that her face at first just ghostly turned whiter, shade of pale,
And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. And the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming. And the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls. Somewhere in the city, back of my neck getting done and gritty. Been down, isn't it a pity? Doesn't seem to be a shadow in the city. All around people looking half dead, walking on the sidewalk, hollow than a matchhead. But at night it's a different world. Go out and find a girl. Come on and dance all night. Despite the heat, it'll be alright.
with a love like that, you know you should be glad.